see on the front of the teeth here how it's very, very worn there. And then as you get further back, these ridges are more pronounced, and this tooth hasn't even started wearing. So this would, I imagine, given the size of this animal, would have been its 5th tooth, and then its 6th tooth, and 6th and final tooth coming through here. And as it pushes forwards, just little bits break off and fall out of the mouth. And so this one still had a, you know, a whole nother, potentially, you know, up to a decade of chewing away there. And that's a tooth there that's fallen out of another skull. That's just a tooth. It is a hippo. Hippo ivory.
Very smooth.
Yeah. There you go. That's an elephant scapula, a couple of legs around here. Got quite a few hippo, that's what I've given you there, the hippo tusk. And you can see from the upper jaw here and the lower jaw. I may pop it back into it. And look there. Yes, yeah.
This is the articulation.
No, this is where this is the brain. This is the spinal column.
Okay.
So if I just put it up this way.
Okay.
This is now the front of the head.
Okay.
Big male. There's a lot missing.
Yeah.
So the tusks would have come from there.
Okay.
But yeah, a lot of it's been sort of chewed up, and then this is not the. I don't think this, but maybe it is.
Okay.
Could be actually the lower jaw for that one. Looking at the teeth.
Giraffes up here. See them out here. Some smaller babies too. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4 adults, and was it 1, 2 children there? I think 3 children.
Et tout en taille de même, c'est beau.
C'est vrai. Mignon.
Ouais, petit bébé tout petit.
Mignon.
Maybe he'll poke his head in the roof.
Well, given that Shelby's in the car, anything could happen.
Yeah.
But it would be an unusual giraffe that does that. This is a young boy. As quietly as you can in a 4.2 litre diesel engine. Rattling along here.
Yeah.
Those vultures are not far, they're just down here. You can hear them calling. I don't think we'll get to see them, but maybe we see how they're all It's a very blotchy pattern, this, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's the comfort. Joys of wildebeest. Very noisy at the moment. And it will become a thing of them being everywhere. The further in we get, the more numerous they're going to become. You'll see them mixed in with zebras, with topi, gazelles in amongst them as well.
Hello.
Patrol.
Oh, that's good.
Very good.
Elephants. Hello.
Want to just run with everybody else.
And the adults make that sound too?
Yeah, the bigger ones go. There's a lot of little ones bleating just to keep tabs on where their mothers are.
Okay, that's for sure.
Yeah, because there's a lot of potential for they're getting lost and separated and all sorts. So here we've got 1, 2, 3 females with 4. Boulder's not going to be very impressed with us. They just look at it. Oh. The manager is just so embellished.
Oh, it's like styrofoam or something.
It's whatever they sent over from the US.
Yeah.
Festus and his team will here to greet us. No, they're calling out, and there's almost a sonar-like echo that goes through the water when they do that as well.
Stop. Oh, we're going to go off-road here.
It's just going to twist so you can all get a bit of a... Is that okay?
Yeah.
I mean, we'll stop and twist several ways.
This light behind us, this golden grass is just beautiful light.
Down the road a little bit, so get in your photos there. Get uneven for once we get onto the road.
It's fine.
Don't follow them. What we see a lot of with them is wattle starlings sometimes.
Oh.
Maybe some oxpeckers. There's definitely swallows moving around. And the cattle egrets like to stick with the bigger herbivores like the elephants and the buffaloes that not quite as...
This is all of us in our van. We're all in here. See, see everybody back there too. And we got the guys up front down there too. They're in there. Okay, there you go.
It doesn't, yes. Oh, I'm sorry.
No, that's all right.
Do you want to come up here, Pam?
No. I did try, but it doesn't give you what you think.
Okay. of animals up on. Perfect.
Oh, so is it?
Is that a fox or something?
It's a silverback jackal.
Oh, a jackal. All right. There's a jackal up there. Jackal up there. It's got to be right in the center there somewhere.
And there's a bit of old carcass there.
Oh, I see it. Yeah, yeah.
I'll just stop here because we've got these wildebeests coming towards us, which is quite a nice perspective from the right side. No, the animals are around us. Nice looking chap.
Did you say there were some storks up here too?
There had been a marabou. What we'll do, guys, because he looks, a little bit startled or unsettled by us, we'll